Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily accept a sponsor request on Cash App. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First you open Cash App and make sure you are logged into your account. Then you tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture, and then in this screen you need to go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you find the option that says Family. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on it. Now from here you choose one of these options. I'm gonna go with M18, and then right here I'm gonna go ahead and continue with filling up the information. After that I go ahead and tap on this clock icon in the bottom right corner. On the activity screen you find this new device login. Tap on review, and then right here just tap on login or looks good, this one in the bottom right corner, and that's how you accept a sponsor request on Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.